The chief medical officer of health today said not to be discouraged by these numbers, that they are coming down gradually, but he did acknowledge not as fast as he would like. And he says the community spread numbers have been hovering in the 200 a day range.
Can you explain, or what is your theory behind community spread not dropping faster?
So it is still perplexing to me that we're not making major headways going down on that. And it makes me wonder if people are not being less than consistent in their physical distancing, and if they were in close contact, they were not wearing a facial covering during those few moments when they could not maintain physical distancing.
Now, I also asked Dr. Williams if there's any consistency on where the community spread originates, grocery stores maybe, for example. And he said that they're asking for that analysis. And with the dismal job numbers coming out today, almost 2 million lost in Canada, over 1 million in Ontario, the focus is on the economy as well. Today, the finance minister promised a significant announcement soon to ease more restrictions. But the premier warned that does not include opening up the border with the U.S. or between provinces.
Don't cross the border. We love our Quebec neighbors, but just wait until this is all over. It's to their benefit, our benefit, and the country's benefit. And as the question came up with the U.S. border, and I was adamant on the call yesterday with the premiers and with the prime minister, I do not want those borders opened.
And quite a controversy emerged when the Premier's office acknowledged he went to his cottage for a quick visit on Easter Sunday to check on pipes. It's causing quite the divide, considering he asked cottagers not to go and said he was not going to go that weekend. Some are saying he didn't do anything wrong. Others, like NDP leader Andrea Horwath, are being quite critical.
It's disappointing, and it's what makes Ontarians just shake their heads and think that politicians, don't think that they have to follow the same rules as everybody else.
Do you think the criticisms against you for doing this are fair?
Sure. First of all, I think any criticism towards me is fair. Everyone has their opinions, and I'll tell you what happened, Cynthia. On Sunday morning of Easter, my team told me I got the morning off, and it was the first time I got off in 2 months. I drove up there and checked out, make sure everything was okay, and it was. I literally hopped back in my truck and drove right back. I was back by noon.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau also faced criticism when he went to see his family on Easter weekend at Harrington Lake, despite asking families to sacrifice their plans. And Conservative leader Andrew Scheer had to defend his decision to bring his entire family on a small plane on a flight to Ottawa.